through the point minus 4 comma 3 and slope 1 by 2. Just see for a while on the screen. Okay, just see on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. For example, this is our quadrant and this is a line. Okay, it passes from a point P. Let its point be x1 and y1, and its slope is given to us as m. Then equation of line format is that this is also known as one point slope form. Okay, so its equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is our formula. Now here, what is the point? Minus 4 comma 3. That means value of x1 and y1 is minus 4 comma 3, and value of slope, that is m, is 1 by 2. Now I am going to substitute all these values in this equation in order to find the equation of the line. So that is y minus y1. y1, that is 3. Slope is 1 by 2 and x minus minus 4. Now we have to solve this. Y minus 3, 1 by 2, x plus 4. Cross multiply. 2 y minus 3 is equals to x plus 4. So we have 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. So we take everything on the right hand side. Plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line. Now note down.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Noted.
Okay. We have the next equation. Write the equation of line which passes through 0, 0 and having slope m. This is of the same pattern which I have explained you. Question number 3. We have to find equation of line, yes, passing through the
Yes, ma'am.
point 0, 0. Passes through 0, 0. What is the other name of 0, 0? For example, it is written like this: origin. Okay, origin means 0, 0 with slope m. Now I told you the formula when a line passes through one point and slope is given. So we have the equation y minus y1 m x minus
X minus
x1.
X1.
Now here x1 y1, this is 0 and this is 0, and slope is m. So I substitute every value. So we have m x minus 0, which is equals to y is equals to mx. This is the required answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 4. Find equation of line which passes through two comma 2 root 3 and is inclined with x axis at an angle of 75 degree. Okay, now it is given as with the x-axis. So we take m is equal to tan 75. Okay, we have this formula for the slope. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? So now how can we find the tan 75? In the trigonometry we have a formula tan a plus b, which is equals to tan a tan b, okay, over 1 minus tan a tan b. In the trigonometry this is a formula. So now we can write tan 75 as tan 45 plus 30. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So it can be written as tan 45 plus tan 30 over 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we substitute different values. So tan 45, that is 1. What is the value of tan 30? Tell me.
1 by root 3.
Yes, you have remembered. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, 1 minus 1 by root 3. When I teaches you, you are too confused. Root 3 plus 1 over root 3, root 3 minus 1 over root 3. Yes, let us
Yes,
get
ma'am.
cut. Now we use the rationalization process which we learned in class 9. Under root 3 plus 1. Under root 3 plus 1. So a plus b whole square. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
hmm? It is a square minus b square. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so we have 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3, 3 minus 1. So that is 4 plus 2 root 3 over 2. Now we take common. So it is cancelled. So m is equals to tan theta. So which is equals to tan 75. Okay. And its
Yes,
value
ma'am.
is equals to 2 plus root 3. So in this way, whenever the angle is given, we have to find the m tan theta. Okay. So actually this value is too big. So now we have, it passes from this point. Okay. 2 root 3. We have to find the equation of line which passes from the point x1 y1 to 2 root 3. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the point now. 2 root 3. Yes. And this is the slope. So equation is what? Equation of line is y minus y1
Y1.
m x minus x1.
X1.
Have you noted this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So y minus 2 root 3. Here 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2. Now we multiply 2x minus 4 plus root 3x minus 2 root 3. Here we have minus 2 root 3. So 2x plus root 3x minus 4 minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus y. It is cancelled. So we have x 2 plus root 3 minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. You check the answer. If it is different, just send me.
Okay, ma'am.
It may be possible that they can't rationalize them. They only uses this one, root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1. So we can also use this as a slope. Okay? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we get the same equation.
Ma'am, the
I will
answer is root 3
listen.
plus.
I think that it may be possible. So, but actually the answer must be same. And I will give you root
Okay.
3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1. This is the slope. And the point is 2 comma 2 root 3. Okay. So now the equation of line becomes y minus 2 root 3 is equals to root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1 x minus 2. So now we multiply it root 3 minus 1 with y minus 2 root 3. Here root 3 plus 1 x minus 2. Now we write like this root 3 minus 1. Now minus 2 root 3. You have to multiply with both of them. Minus 2 root 3 root 3. Okay. Minus minus plus 2 root 3. Do you understand? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
As a whole and fill with both of them. Similarly, root 3 plus 1, we just only write x. Now with the 2, minus 2 root 3 minus 2. So it becomes y root 3 minus 1. It becomes 2 into 3, that is 6, 2 root 3. And here root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2 root 3 minus 2. Yes. So I will take x and y on one side. Okay. So I will take all of them on the right hand side. Root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 y. Okay. Minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. I think there's a problem. I think they must be cancelled. Uh, no, this is correct. Oh, sorry. No, correct. Then minus plus 6 minus 2. Correct. Now x root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 y. This is 4 root 3 and this is 4. Okay. Now we can take common as a 4. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Bring it on the right hand side. So it becomes 4 root 3 minus 4. So we can take 4 as common, root 3 minus 1. I think this may be the answer. Yes.
I'll check for 1 minute.
Check it.
Yes, ma'am, that is the answer.
Okay. Follow the system. Note down
Okay.
properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now next question. Okay. Yes. Find equation of line which intersects the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of the origin with slope -2. Can you tell me how can I proceed?
Ma'am, the formula, the last formula we use.
This is not the answer. Slope is -2.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Intersect x-axis at 3 to the left. If I draw it on the quadrant, so left is here and right is here. So 3 units, that means here -1, -2, -3. From this line goes. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That means one point is -3. Okay? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So y here is 0. Y is 0
0.
and x is -3. So these are the points.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now equation of the line y minus y1 m x minus x1. So y minus 0 minus 2 x plus 3. Understood? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have y is equals to minus 2x minus 6. So equation becomes y plus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. This is your answer. Done?
writing. Yes, ma'am, done.
Question number 6, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Find the equation of line which intersects the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin. Makes an angle of 30 degree with positive x direction. Now listen carefully. If we have the quadrant, okay, this is the right one, this is left, and we use these words for the x-axis. For the right we take plus, for the left we take minus. For the y-axis we use above and below. This is the origin. Okay. For the above we have plus, for the below we have minus. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to find the equation of line which intersect y-axis. That means the line now cuts the y-axis, not the x. Distance of 2 units above origin. So this is origin. So this is 1 and this is 2. So line goes like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle of 30 degree with the positive direction, but not the straight. Not the straight. Line goes like this. This. Okay. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Having 30 degree. But here we don't know where it touches the x, and it is also not given. Okay. Hmm? It is given only this point that it cuts the y-axis at 2. So we use another form. Okay. This is known
Yes,
as
ma'am.
y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So this c is known as intercept. Intercept means it cuts the y-axis. This is the intercept. And value of intercept is c. So it cuts 2 units. So value of c is 2. And value of slope m is tan theta. That is tan 30 degree. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we put the equation 1 by root 3 x plus 2. Now solve it. Root 3y, okay, x upon root 3 into root 3 plus 2 into root 3. That means we multiply root 3 with all of them. So it becomes x plus 2 root 3. So equation of line is what? X plus root x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equals to 0. This is your answer. So actually this exercise contains different forms of the line. After completing this exercise, I will take a concept based lecture, or in the last lecture, I will take a concept based lecture. Okay?
Okay,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Because after Friday, do you book more classes or book after some time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
What yes? We have only one class left. So you want to book some more classes or after the examinations you will book?
Ma'am, there's no like exam is just for like 3 days, so I'll book after we complete this class. Like all the classes completed.
हम्म कंटिन्यूशन चले सॉरी तुम्हें तो हिंदी पता नहीं तुम्हें चलो
Little
ठीक है
little, ma'am.
नहीं जैसे अभी अभी इस लेसन को अभी हम कंप्लीट करेंगे तो आप और लेक्चर्स बुक कर रहे हो अभी
Yes, ma'am. I'll book it right after the lesson we completed.
ओके ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 फाइंड equation of line which passes through the points what are the points minus 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 4 okay now when it is given that a line passes from two points let it be p and q this is x1 y1 this is x2 y2 and we have to find the equation of line okay so what is the formula
Y
Equa-
minus Y1 is equal to
this is known
M.
as this is known as 2 point form
Okay, ma'am.
known as 2 point
Two
form
points.
so y minus y1 y2 minus y1 x minus x1 x2 minus x1 remember this it's easy to memorize this hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Now from here we have minus 1 1 and 2 comma minus 4 now I substitute the values this is x1 this is y1 write like this otherwise in a hurry the answer will be wrong
Yes, ma'am.
so y minus y1 minus 1 y2 is minus 4 minus 1 x minus x1 x2 minus x1 just see properly correct
Yes, ma'am.
yes
Correct.
so now nahi correct do you understand or not
Understood, ma'am. I understood.
yeah True that. Nee, you are far away from me na so in teaching online it's a tough task whether the student will understands or not
Well, if I don't understand, don't worry. I'll ask.
because I also want that you people also secure very good marks no matter we are so far so we have 3 5 plus 5x and this is minus 5 plus 3 yes so what is the equation of the line okay finish
Yes, ma'am.
in each and every class I try to finish as many as I can Have you noted?
No, ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am, noted.
Okay. Just read this question. Hello?
Can I read?
Yeah.
Perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degrees.
For example, this is the equation of the line. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is our origin. From the origin, its perpendicular distance is 5 units. Perpendicular distance of 5 units from the origin, from the line. Like this is the line AB. And this line make an angle with the positive x of 30 degree. For example, this is the 30-degree angle. Let it be. This is not 30. Let this be 30-degree angle. Okay. So this format, when the perpendicular distance is given, the format of the equation of line is known as perpendicular form. Equation of perpendicular form. Okay. So what is its format? X cos theta plus y sin theta is equals to p. Here p is what? Perpendicular distance from the origin, and theta is the slope. Okay, angle made by the line with the x-axis. So perpendicular distance, this is x cos 30 degree, y sin 30 degree is equals to 5. Now what is the value for the cos 30 degree? Root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree, 1 by 2 is equals to 5. Now we multiply with 2, we get root 3x plus y is equals to 5 to the 10. So this is our answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the perpendicular form of the line. Now this next question, question number 9 is very important. Okay, just mark it. Now I'm going to explain it. Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. The vertices of a triangles are given and we have to find the equation of median. So I want to write the question. Question number 9. The vertices of triangle PQR is, let be, this is a triangle. Okay. Vertices are Q1, P, Q, R. Let it be 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Okay. We have to find the equation of median through vertex R. From this vertex, we have to find the equation of median. Let this be M. That means we have to find the equation of the line RM. Understood? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what do you mean by median? Hmm?
Line which separates like
Hmm? Which separates what?
the triangle.
Wrong. Hmm? Explain properly. What is median?
Ma'am, median.
For example, this is a triangle. Okay. There's a one line which puts over arrow. It bisects the opposite line in two equal parts. For example, this is 8 centimeter. So this is 4, this is 4. Then this point is median. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, how can we find the coordinates for the M? Hmm? Coordinates for M can be found by using midpoint formula. Do you know what is midpoint formula?
No, ma'am. N
X is
plus no,
equal
ma'am.
to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. After this, I will take a concept based lecture. Okay, then I will explain you. Okay, everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Now here x1 and x2, that means I will take M is the midpoint of P and Q. For example, this is a straight line P and Q and M is its midpoint. So we have 2 comma 1 and here I have minus 2 comma 3. So we have to find this coordinate and the coordinate of M is become x and y. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
So this becomes x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Wait. So value for the x become x1 plus x2, that is 2 minus 2 by 2, that is 0. Value of y 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So coordinates of m become 0 and 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So from here in our triangle, its coordinate becomes 0 and 4. Now this is a line RM. It is the equation of the medium. Okay. And we have the 2 points R and M. See. Now in this triangle, just don't note. Firstly see on the screen. Now this is a point R and this is a point M. M has the coordinate 0 and 2. Okay. And R has the coordinate 4 and 5. So we have to find the equation which passes from R and M. That means there are 2 points are given. Point R and point M. having the coordinates 4 comma 5, having the coordinates 0 comma 2, and we have to find the equation of line using them. So which equation of line we can use? Which format we use? 2-point form. Which format we use? 2-point
Two
form.
point form.
So tell me the formula for that. Y
Uh,
minus, see on the note, see in the notebook.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I give you this formula na. In the previous question.
Yeah, ma'am. We gave the formula.
So now I am substituting these values. May I proceed?
Yes, ma'am. You may.
Now it's easy how to find the equation of median. Please practice this format, equation of median and equation of perpendicular altitude. This question may be there. This is our answer. Have you noted everything or I have to scroll?
Ma'am, can you scroll up? Yeah, ma'am. There.
Lot of questions in this exercise. So firstly on Friday I try to finish this exercise. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
On Friday I try to finish this exercise. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Because
noted,
the
ma'am.
question because the questions are too long. Hmm. Very detailed questions are there. Now next question we have to find the equation of perpendicular. No? Now just read the question and try to understand what will you do. This thing, what can you do?
Ma'am, you should use the formula like we used before. But
But here
yeah, ma'am.
but here the word is perpendicular.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
a different question. Okay. Actually this exercise is very important. Okay. So practice it properly. So question number 10. Lot of formulas are there. Lot of formats are there. Find equation of line passing through minus 3 comma 5 and the line through अरे राइडर मुझे फोन मिला रहा है, अब बात करिए। Okay, this is the question. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to find the equation of line passing through this. That means line is passing through this point, minus 3 comma 5, and perpendicular to a line which passes through 2 points. Are you understand? Hmm? But here, this line is not said that it passes from the midpoint, but it is said that S is perpendicular. That means it is making an angle of 90 degrees.
90 degree.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, first equation of line passing through, I will take it as A, B, and C. Okay. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
A and B. So, this is a 2 point form. Yes. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we use the formula y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x minus x1, x2 minus x1.
It's one.
So I'm going to substitute all the values. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So y minus 5, 6 minus 5, x minus 2, minus 3 minus 2. Okay, cross multiply. Finish. Just see on the screen x plus 5y minus 25 minus 2. This is the equation of this line AB. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, but we have to find the equation of line, let CM. Okay. Hmm?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
CM is perpendicular to AB. CM is perpendicular to AB. So, whenever any line is perpendicular to another line, their slope, for example, this is a line and this is a line. This is line L1, this is line L2. So, this line must have any slope M1, this line must have slope M2. So, when the two lines are perpendicular to each other, product of their slope is equals to minus 1. And how can we find the slope using this equation mx plus c? Now watch. We have this equation x plus 5y minus 27. This is the equation for the line AB. So I convert this equation in this form. 5y is equal to 27 minus x. So y is equal to minus x by 5 plus 27 by 5. So when I compare with this equation, we find y is equal to minus 1 by 5x plus 27 by 5. So when I compare, value of m becomes minus 1 by 5. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we have to find the equation of the line CM. Hmm? And coordinates of the C minus 3 comma 5. Minus 3 comma 5.
Five.
And its slope we have to find now. Let it be m dash. So slopes m dash and m must be equal to minus 1. So this is the value of m. The value of m dash is minus 1 by 5 is equal to minus 1. So value of m dash becomes 5. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now slope become 5 and point become minus 3 comma 5. So it is a slope form, 1 point slope form. We have the slope and we have a point. So equation of line becomes, on Wednesday I will take the concept based lecture firstly. Okay. Then we proceed. It will help you a lot. Okay.
Wednesday,
Hmm?
ma'am.
Oh, Friday. Firstly, I take concept based lecture. Then in the remaining lectures, we will finish the exercise if the time is not enough. Because until you don't know, until you don't know the concepts, it's not possible for you. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
y minus y1, this is x1, this is y1. Then you feel very confident. So minus 5, slope is 5, x minus minus 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have y minus 5 is equals to 5x plus this is it become plus 3. So 5 3s are 15. So equation becomes 5x minus y plus 15 plus 5 is equals to 0. So 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the required answer. Just check from the textbook.
Yes, ma'am. That's the answer.
Listen one thing. Here we have the section of recording. Please watch from this section the recordings of the straight line. And in the next lecture, please tell me to give you the concepts. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Firstly, before starting the lecture. So on Friday we will meet. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
On
Bye, ma'am.
Friday we have the last lecture. Good night.
Good night.
What is given? 1 is to n. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Find
One is
equation of
to.
line. Listen, what is the question? There are 2 points. Hatika, firstly try to understand the question. Just read out the question.
A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1, comma 0 and 2, comma 3 divides it in the ratio 1 is to 9. Find the
1 is to
equation
n.
of the line. 1 is to n. Sorry.
There are 2 points. Okay, 1 comma 0. And we have a line joining these 2 points. Okay. Hmm? Now there is a line which is perpendicular to this line. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have to find the equation of this line. But this line divides this line in the ratio of 1 is to n. Here it is 1, then here it is n. Okay. This line doesn't passes from the middle of this line. Okay. Hmm? Now Hitika, can you tell me uh, if there are 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, how can we find the middle point of this line?
Ma'am, by using
Do
the
you know?
formula x1 minus x2 by 2. I don't know.
Yes, yes or no?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Now, for example, if I say that we have another line, okay, and we have the point here, not in the middle, and this ratio is 1 is to n. Yeah, ratio is n is to m.
1 is to. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
N is to m. So what is, how can we find this coordinates of this point?
Uh,
With the help of section formula,
okay, ma'am.
which you studied in class 10th. mx1 nx2 m plus n. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
remember or not?
Yes, ma'am. I am recalling it.
Yeah, recalling. Okay, now this question is based on this pattern. So now in our question, the points are what? 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3, and ratio is 1 is to n. Understood?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
So this is the midpoint. So we have to find the coordinates of this point. So x is equals to 1 into n plus 1 into 2. Okay. Now 1 plus n. I multiply 1 with n, this 1 with 2. Okay. So n
Okay, ma'am.
plus 2 over n plus 1. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now similarly for the y coordinate, n with 0, 1 with 3, 1 plus n. So we have 3 over n, 1 plus n. So these are the coordinates.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we have to find the equation of line which is perpendicular to this line. Hmm? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, moreover, second point. This line has the 2 points 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 3. Can you find the equation of this line? We have an equation of 2 point form. I tell you earlier. See that formula and tell me right now. In the examination, if you not study this straight line, it become a tough. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1.
Okay. Now
Yes,
substitute
ma'am.
these values. Understood? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So we have y by 3, x minus 1 by 1, cross multiplying. So y is equal to 3 times x minus 1, 3x minus 3. Okay. So equation becomes, okay, let it be. Okay. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
So if I compare this equation with this format, what is the value for m?
3, ma'am.
Yes. And what is 3? This is the slope. This is slope. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Now, this is a line, okay, having slope 3. Understood? Hmm.
Understood, ma'am.
Now, if a line is perpendicular to any line, then it has slope, let it be m2. This is m1. So, when two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Okay. So, we have 3 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So value of M2 becomes minus 1 by 3. Yes, don't write, just understand. Very tough questions are there. So M2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the value of this point which we find from the section formula? You have noted. Tell me.
Which point, ma'am? The
N plus 2,
by n plus 1.
then second point
3 by
3,
1 plus n.
3n plus 1. Okay. So now if we have to find the equation of this L2, okay, this L2 passes from this point. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
see, and it has the slope minus 1 by 3. It has the slope minus
Minus 1
1 by.
by 3.
So now equation of line having slope minus 1 by 3 and passes from point n plus 2, n plus 1, comma 3, n plus 1. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So y minus y1 m x minus x1. So this is x1, this is y1. So y minus 3 by n plus 1. Here it is minus 1 by 3, x minus 3 by n plus 1. Understood? Sorry,
Understood,
sorry,
ma'am.
sorry. So, sorry,
What?
sorry. X,
Oh, you
n
wrote
plus 2
3
over n plus,
by
yes,
n
yeah.
plus 1.
I will write at x. Clear? Now we solve it. We have to solve this. So how can we solve? N plus 1 into y minus 3 n plus 1 is equal to, because in the last we have very long questions. N plus 1 minus n plus 2. Atika, one lecture I will take and I will tell you all the concepts in detail. Okay? Either
Okay,
one
ma'am.
lecture will be exhausted or two will be exhausted. I will tell you all the concepts because without knowing that you will not able to solve. These are get cancelled. So now I multiply with 3 n plus 1 y minus 3. Here I have x n plus 1 minus n plus 2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I will try to solve it. So we write 3 y n plus 1. Okay. 3 3s are 9. Here we have minus x n plus 1 plus n plus 2. Okay. Now I bring it on this side. 3y n plus 1 plus x n plus 1. Here n plus 2 plus 9. So it becomes 3y n plus 1 plus x n plus 1 is equals to n plus 11. This is our answer. Now Hetika, do you want to note it?
Yes, ma'am.
From where you have lost?
Ma'am, from m2 is equal to negative of 1 by 3.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Actually, this exercise is the base of a straight line. Practice this exercise. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
No, ma'am. I'm not. Ma'am, can you scroll down? Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the next question. Yes. See, find equation of line that cuts off equal intercept on coordinate axis. What is the, for example, this is a line. Okay. We have to find the equation of this line. It cuts the equal intersects. That means the length of this and length of this, they are equal. Let it be A, let it be A. Understood? And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
line passes from a point 2 comma 3. This is the question. Now how can we find? This is termed as intercept form. This is termed as intercept form of line. And intercept form of line, we have the formula this, where I will take, let it be P, where A and B are intersects. Okay, so we have x by, let it be P, y by P, because both the intercepts are equal. Yes. Hmm?
Okay,
It
ma'am.
means that A is equal to B is equal to P, or I will take as R, take the R, different letter.
E is fine, ma'am.
So I will take R. Okay. Yes. Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this line passes from this point 2, 3. So 2 and 3, this is x and this is y. I put these two values here. 2 by r, 3 by r, which is equals to 1. Now I take the LCM. That is 5 is equals to r. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the final equation of line becomes x upon 5, y upon 5 is equals to 1. That is answer is x plus y is equal to 5. This is our answer. Now note down. I think you understand the intercept form. Any problem? No.
No problem. Yes, ma'am. Noted.
Next question. 13. Find equation of line passing through 2, 2. Cutting intercept whose sum is 9. That means now there are the different intersects on the axis. That this is A, this is B. Okay, and it
Okay,
passes
ma'am.
through a point 2 comma 2, and it is given sum of A plus B is 9. So we can find A 9 minus B. We can write like this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have the equation of line x over A, y over B is equals to 1. So in place of A, I put 9 minus B. Katika, one thing I want to say you.
Yes, ma'am.
You are very studious, very hard worker. Okay. Please secure very good marks. My name should not be. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Please. You are very good student. I like you. Okay. So
Yes.
please don't ignore the mathematics. Please practice. At least take out 1 hour at least per day in order to practice it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it passes from 2 to. So I put here values x and y as 2 and 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is 2 9 minus b to b is equals to 1. So we can take common. It's easy to solve.
Yes, ma'am. Mm,
Yes. And we have 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. Do you understand what I am doing?
yes, ma'am. Understood.
Bring everything on the right hand side. Now it becomes a quadratic.
Yes, ma'am.
Take b as a common. Okay. Now value of a is 9 minus b. So when b is equal to 3, value of a becomes 6.
6.
When b is equal to 6, value of a becomes
3.
3. So we can write the equation as x by 3, y by 6 is equals to 1. So when we solve, it becomes 6x plus 3y is equals to 18. Or if I go like x by 6, y by 3 is equal to 1. So then 3x plus 6y is equal to 18. Check the answer. You can also write like this. You can divide that with the help of 3.
Okay, and the answer is correct, ma'am. But they're taking it as common. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
lot of questions in this exercise. I think today I will finish. I think it's not possible. Yeah, very big questions are there. Some will be left. Sorry, Hatika. Yeah,
Yeah, no problem, ma'am.
because very long questions. I can't just write them. I have also to explain you. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, book some lectures. We will go 2 lectures in a week. Okay, Monday, Wednesday, not on Friday. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so because we I'm teacher is not covering na that much portion which I have covered,
Yes, ma'am, they haven't.
so it's better to take 2 classes in a week. Just revise them by your own whenever you get the time. Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
So that for a long time we will be in touch with each other. You can ask your doubts in middle of that. Yes, it's better
Yes,
for
ma'am.
you. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So I will shift your classes on Monday and Wednesday, not on Friday. Just leave that. Okay. And on Friday,
Okay, ma'am.
Saturday, Sunday, you will revise everything. Okay. So from the next time, don't say anything to they are on the platform. It's our adjustment. Okay. You just book the
Yes, ma'am.
classes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, it's better now. You have
Yeah, ma'am.
long term touch with me. Now question number 14. May I start?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
You have noted this or not?
Noted, ma'am. Noted. I noted.
Everything.
Yes, ma'am. Everything.
Now question number 14. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
It's also a typical one. Find equation of line through the point 0, comma 2.
And this looks very complicated than the questions we did before.
Hmm. Just say find this through point because I had never memorized that. Along with you, I opened the textbook. Along with you, I just shut up that textbook. Hmm. Making an angle 2 pi by 3 with positive x-axis. Find equation of line parallel to it, crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below origin. Firstly, read the question and try to understand what is given. Hmm? What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
slope? What is the slope? Firstly, we find the slope. Yeah, line is
Yes, ma'am.
passing through a point. Listen, what is given? 2 pi by 3. That is 135 degree. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
passing 0 2. This is 0 2. Yes, making an angle of 2 pi by 3.
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Equation of line parallel to it, crossing y-axis at a 2 distance below origin. That means this line passes from here below origin. Okay, 0 minus 2. Hmm. So firstly we have to find the equation of this line. So for this line L1, what is the slope? M is equal to tan theta. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer?
2 pi by 3.
What is the answer? What is the angle?
Ma'am, 0, negative 1. I think so.
135. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the answer?
I was right in negative.
Not 45, sorry.
Wow. Oh.
155. 120. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
that is 60. Yes,
Oh, yes, ma'am.
and that is 60. Tan 60 is what? Root 3. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is the slope and it passes from 0 to, okay. So equation of line L1 passes through 0 to and slope minus 3. We have the formula y minus 2 x minus 0. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Minus root 3x. So equation of line becomes, so this is the equation of line for this line. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now when two lines are parallel, what is the relation between their slope?
They're equal.
Yes. Slopes are equal. Yes. So from
Yes, ma'am.
this line, what is the slope? Slope is what? Minus root 3. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
And the point from which it passes is 0 comma
0,
minus
comma
2.
2, minus 2.
Minus 2. So equation of line okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next question you think for a while. Yeah, I explain you each and every question. Next question firstly you think.
Yes, ma'am. I think.
Tell me. Hmm?
I am thinking, ma'am.
You are thinking.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I. No, wait, no.
Can you make the diagram for the next question?
I think so. I can. I'll try, ma'am.
Yeah. Listen. This is the axis. This is a line. Okay. This is origin. Okay. I drop a line. It touches this line at the point minus 2 comma 9. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, if I mark it as A, B, C, and D, we can see that CD is perpendicular to AB.
Yes, ma'am.
So, slope of 3D, let it be M1, it will be M2. So, they are perpendicular. So, M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1 because they are perpendicular. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? I'm giving you another concept how to solve. Just be careful.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
listen.
Yes.
We have now 2 points for C and D. Point C is 0, 0. Point D is minus 2 comma 9. Yes. Now, if we want to find a slope when 2 points are there, what is the formula? Y2 minus
Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. Ma'am, for 2 points, isn't it Y minus Y1 by Y2
that
minus
was the
Y1?
equation of line. And here
Oh,
I
okay,
am
okay.
finding slope.
Yes,
We
sorry.
can we can do that question in the same way also, but I am teaching you this method from this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 9 minus 0 minus 2 minus 0. So we have 9 over minus 2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 into 9 upon minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. So m1 is equal to minus 1 into minus 2 over 9. So we have 2 by 9. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is the slope for this line. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And this line passes through this point. So slope of line is 2 by 9 and it passes through point minus 2 comma 9. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Equation of line. Okay. Y minus 9. This is x1. This is y1. 2 upon 9 x plus 2. Now we solve it. Check the answer from back.
Yes, ma'am. I'll check. 2x minus 9y plus 85.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Just note it down. From where you have to note.
I'm from the 2 points loop. Yes, ma'am. From here.
Here.
Yes, ma'am. And can you scroll down?
20 questions are there, no?
Yes, ma'am. Too many questions. And can you scroll down, please?
I'm trying my best to take in minimum lectures. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
but
Yes, ma'am. Noted.
so next question. Just read from your textbook. I'm not going to write the full question because there are lot of points.
Okay, ma'am.
Just read from your
The
textbook.
the length L in centimeter of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment, if L is equal to 124.942 when C is equal to 20 and L is equal to 125.134 when C is equal to 110. Express L in terms of C.
Now these are application based questions which you can get in the case study based question. Okay. So it is
Okay.
found that at the temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, the length of the rod is this. So when we just increase the temperature, length of rod becomes this. It is expanded. Yes.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have to find the relationship between them. The question is that actually. Listen, for this, we can take it like this is a P point, this is a Q point in the form of a straight line. So this becomes x1, this becomes y1, this becomes x2, this becomes, or you will take not this x1. It becomes a tough task. You will take this as a x1. It's better because we are changing the temperature. Okay, we are changing the temperature. So this is a independent variable. So we take 20 as x and 124.942 as a y variable because x variables are independent variables and y variables are dependent variables. Okay, that's why we have chosen like this. This is the main. If anybody asks you why I have chosen this, why don't you have chosen this as x? So this is the reason. We have chosen the independent values as x. Okay. Now
Okay, ma'am.
find the slope using 2 points. So y2, this is y2, this is x2, y1, x1. So 125.134 minus 124.942 over 110 minus 20. So what is the answer? Yes.
Ma'am, 0.192.
And here we have 90.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we substitute the values y minus y1. We have the equation now. Y minus y1, equation of line. Then slope with x minus x1. No, 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 no. Okay. Yes. Hmm.
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
in place of y index we write L and C. Now you have to solve this and you will find the relationship. So what happened? We can write like this 0.192. This is a typical type question. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
plus 124.942. This is our answer. Now read the 17th one.
I write it down and I'll read, ma'am.
This is also based on question number 16.
I'll read the 17th one, ma'am.
Hmm?
The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at rupees 14 per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at rupees 16 per liter. Assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter?
The same pattern.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? So what is the value for the x? And what is the value for the y? Tell me.
We should take something which is not dependent. So milk value will be X and cost value will be Y.
Cost value will be y. If we sell something at low cost, okay, the milk then we sold only this amount. When we sell them at high cost, milk is this. So this is independent value and this is dependent value.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
We can change the cost now and we cannot decide whether the consumers will buy or not. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? So what we have? The points 14, 980. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And another point we have 16, 1220. Let this be A and B. So firstly, first step we have to find the slope. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now find out the slope. Try to do by yourself the same pattern which I explained in question number 16. I am sitting, you solve it. What's the formula?
Y minus 1 is equal to M. Oh, Y2 minus Y1.
What is the answer?
I'm solving, ma'am.
Okay.
70, ma'am. Ma'am, 70.
Yeah. What is the answer? Slope.
Slope is 70.
Then 70.
Yes, ma'am.
No. 120.
How come, ma'am?
Just subtract these two.
Oh, calculation mistake, ma'am. I got. Ah,
So now equation becomes, now we have chosen y for the milk. Yes,
yes, ma'am.
so we can write it as milk, cost for the C. Okay, for the slope. So milk is equals to plus 980. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there's one thing more in the question. What is the question? Just read out.
We have to find how many liters could we sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter.
That means 17. That means we have to put the value of cost as 17. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to solve this and we get the answer. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Check.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna check the answer, Dr. Yes, ma'am. 1340 liters.
This line is between the axes. That means it touching the axes at different positions on the x and y axis. And this is the midpoint of this line. That is the P, A comma B. Okay. And we have to find the equation of this line. If this is A and B, let this will be x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, with the help of midpoint formula, value of A is equal to what? x1 plus x2 by 2. Value of B is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Is it okay or not?
Okay, ma'am.
But this point is on the x-axis. So it has the value of x, but the value of y1 is 0. Listen, 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 beta. If we have this point, we can write it as na 2 comma 0 or 5 comma 0 on this axis.
Yes, ma'am. We
Check
can
from
write
the
it.
graph. Yeah. So we can write it as x comma 0.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Similarly, here we have 0 comma y. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in place of x2, y2. Okay. x1, y1. So now A is equals to x1 we have x, but x2 we have 0. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now similarly, y1 we have 0, y2 that is y over 2. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just think for a while. I'm there. Just think for a while. We have x1, y1, x2, y2. Value of x1 becomes x and 0. And here it becomes 0 comma y. Yes, now you
Yes,
substitute
ma'am.
the values. Clear? So value of x becomes 2a, value of y becomes 2b. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now the points become what? 2a comma 0 and 0 comma 2b.
0, 2B. Yes, ma'am.
Now these are the 2 points a, b. Now if we want to find the equation of line passing through 2 points, what is its equation? Y minus y1, okay?
X. So
y2
y2
minus
minus y.
x minus x1,
X1, y, x2
x2 minus
minus.
x1. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Now we substitute the values. So y minus y1, that is 0, 2b minus 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now here 2a means then 0 minus 2a. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now y over 2b, x minus 2a and minus 2a. I have done something wrong. X minus x1 2a. Yeah, correct. Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Now we cross multiply. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
We bring 4ab here and 2bx and 2ay here.
Ma'am, negative. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes.
Yes, to make
Yes.
everything positive. Now I divide everything with 2ab
And why are we dividing it by 2ab?
in order to get the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Now what we left here? Speak out.
And we are left with 2ab is equal to 2x x by a plus y by b.
Just tell it. This is the thing which we have to prove.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just note it down.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, if we like, oh no, ma'am. Okay, no, I get it.
If there's any problem, just ask me again.
No, ma'am, I got no problem. I understand. And could you scroll up?
From
Okay,
where
ma'am.
you have to write.
Yeah, yeah, from here, ma'am. Ma'am, could you scroll down, please? Yes, ma'am, noted.
Everything?
Yes, ma'am, noted.
Okay. Now next question we have 19. There's a point which divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2. Then we have to find the equation of the line. Now this question is based on the section formula. Now we have the question. Point HK divides a line segment between axes one is to two. Find equation of line. Listen, we can do with the same manner. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
If we try. Listen, we just draw the figure again. Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
this is a line. It cuts the axis. Hmm? But the point is now H and K. But it is not the midpoint. It divides in the ratio 1 is to 2. So if I again take this point, this becomes x comma 0 as x1 y1. Clear?
Clear,
Hmm?
ma'am.
And here it is x2 y2 as 0 comma
Yes, ma'am.
y. 0 comma y. But now in order to find h and k, we use the section formula. Not the midpoint formula. That is, value of h is what? M x1 n x2 m plus n. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the value of m? So we can take it as for x1 we have x. H is equals to, for the m we take 1. 1 into x plus 2 into 0 over 1 plus 2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
M is to n becomes 1 is to 2. Hmm. X1 is x, x2 is 0. Now I am substituting the values. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to h. So value of x becomes 3h minus 2. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So point becomes 3h minus 2 comma 0. Oh, sorry. This is 0. 3h.
Okay, ma'am. 3h.
Now for the y, m y1 and y2.
ny2 by n plus n.
Now m is to n, 1 is to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Y1 is 0, y2 is y. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here we write k, 1 into 0, 2 into y, 1 plus 2.
0 plus
That is
2y by
equal to
3.
y by 3. So y is equals to 3k by 2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So another point becomes 0 comma 3k by 2. Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Now we have to find the equation of line using points 3h comma 0, 0 comma 3k by 2. Yeah, try to find the equation
Yes.
without seeing on the screen. Try to find. Do you get the same answer or you will stuck at some place?
No, no, I'm doing. I'll tell you once I do. I got the same answer now to it. I got the same answer.
Okay. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why the answer differ? If I will take 1 is to 2, I will take 1 here and 2 here. If I just reverse it, 1 here and 2 here, then we get the reverse answer like this. Okay, we get the reverse answer over here like this way. Understood? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So you just take like this in order to get the same answer from the textbook. Take 1 over here, 2 over here. Okay? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm leaving this, proceeding to the next, last question of this exercise. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Now can you solve this? Because I think you can solve. Collinear points. Hmm?
Linear. I mean, can you like give me a hint? Then I'll solve the like a clue
You
alone.
saw
Then I'll.
you just find the equation of line using 2 points. Firstly,
Any 2 points, ma'am?
yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
because it's so simple. I'm sitting here, you solve that.
Okay, ma'am.
Take these 2 points and find the equation of the line.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing.
You will got this equation or not?
Got the equation, ma'am.
Same equation. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Now substitute this value in this equation. If we get the answer, then these 3 points are the collinear.
Okay, ma'am. I'll substitute and I'll tell you.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Got the answer.
So these three are collinear. Now the next exercise. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. The next exercise.
Okay, from this exercise you understand the concepts very well because the book is so cozy. The things are not given in the proper form.